how to download Capital One mobile app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Capital One mobile app on Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type in Capital One and search for it. And now here on the search result, just select Capital One option. And now here, once you see the option installed, you can just tap on it to start the installation process. And now here with that, you can just wait for some time for it to be installed. And now here, once the app installs on your phone, you can just tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. That's how you can install the Capital One mobile banking app on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.